wena ngwana go
wena be o shagabi wait kana tshwanetse gore every day re ne re dira that o thube mahura wena tla o jala every day o kila bana ka motho a ja phakela a tsoga o ja phalesele morogo le phakela go jwa di apole yana wa ria
o direkile
ha ke a dire
ya no ngware ke tshwanetse go bula account wait ke ya bankeng
bula account
yes go Standard Chartered Bank.
You can open your account from the comfort of your home. But if you say app, okay, you want Standard Chartered mobile app. Be unstoppable. I want to do a corona. You don't need to go to the bank. Hey, I want app. Standard Chartered have made things easy for us. They have a feature called Refer Your Friends and Family.
Refer them to what?
You see, so when you refer your friends, I refer to your phone, it's a link and a code. I will send WhatsApp, you simply tap into the code, it will be or download the Standard Chartered mobile app or Buddha account. You don't need to go to the bank.
Send the code. Wow, baby, get
baby, simple as that. You don't need to go to the bank
at all. Thank you so much.
Be unstoppable.
Be unstoppable.
Come on, 5 kilometers.
Hey, did you know that you can refer your friends and family with Standard Chartered mobile app? Mogaga mola wana, ka re gatela pele.